Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got a tiny powerhouse in our hands, the RE X8 Mini Wireless Keyboard. Whether you're looking to control your smart TV, gaming console, or PC, this compact device has got you covered. So, what makes the RE X8 stand out? Let's dive right into it. The RE X8 operates at 2.4 GHz and comes with a USB dongle for easy plug-and-play connectivity. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, gaming consoles, televisions, and personal computers. It's a versatile keyboard that's perfect for your Raspberry Pi setup, Android TV box, HTPC, or just about anything. As you can see, it's a mini keyboard with a touchpad. The compact design is not only ergonomic but also highly portable. It's perfect for those who want to control their devices from the comfort of their couch. Now, let's talk about the cool factor, RGB backlighting. The RE X8 boasts 8-color RGB backlighting. You can switch between different colors to suit your mood or environment. Simply press FN+WN to change the backlight color. But the touchpad is where the magic happens. It supports multi-touch functions, allowing you to easily navigate, scroll, and perform various gestures. It's like having a mini laptop touchpad at your fingertips. Concerned about battery life? Don't be. This keyboard comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that ensures you won't be constantly swapping out disposable batteries. It's eco-friendly and budget-friendly. And for those who tend to forget to turn off their devices, the RE X8 has an auto-sleep function. If you leave it idle for 3 minutes, it'll automatically go into sleep mode to save power. Just press any button to wake it up when you're ready to use it again. Well, it's ideal for a variety of devices: PCs, laptops, Raspberry Pi, gaming consoles, and more. It even works with Amazon Fire TV, but if you're using it with a 4K Fire TV or Fire Stick, you'll need a micro USB host OTG cable. Worried about pairing? It's super simple. Just press the ESC button and turn on the keyboard simultaneously. Release the ESC button, and the blue LED will flash fast. Plug in the USB dongle, and within 60 seconds, it'll pair with your device. Charging is a breeze. You'll find the charging port right here. It comes with a charging cable, so you're all set. To wrap it up, the RE X8 Mini Wireless Keyboard is a fantastic addition to your tech arsenal. It's small, versatile, and adds a touch of style with its RGB backlighting. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. I'm your host, signing off. Stay connected.